So if you don't have some sort of subscription, some sort of cross-sell, you're going to be in big trouble. Any e-commerce business, as a matter of fact, any small business or medium-sized business should look at, you might be selling, let's say, one product for $200, but what are you going to sell next to that customer? Because new acquisition of a customer is extremely expensive. So if you don't have some sort of subscription, some sort of cross-sell, you're going to be in big trouble.
Yeah, and Amazon's doing a great job of this already, right? With the subscribe and save. So it's typically a product that people would just go on and buy, but now I can save 15% if I just have it on recurring payment.
Yep.
Right? So any e-commerce store could incorporate this model into their existing platform.